Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will present to you about food ordering system. What is food ordering system? Food ordering system is an innovation for the food service industry that makes ordering easier for both consumers and companies. To expedite food ordering, it makes use of integrated point of sale systems and internet platforms. There are some core components of food ordering systems such as user-friendly interfaces, menu management, order processing and confirmation, payment integration, real-time order tracking, integration with POS system, customer feedback and ratings, promotion and loyalty programs.
The breakdown of the customer database structure. Let's go column by column for clarity. First, we have customer ID. This column stores a unique identifier for each customer. It's a bar chart, meaning it can hold up to 10 characters of text. It's also the primary key, ensuring every value here is unique and not null. Next one is the customer name. This column stores the name of the customer. It allows up to 50 characters as a varchar 50. The not null constraint ensure it cannot be left empty. Moving on, we have customer address. Similar to the name, it's a varchar 50 field and required with not null. Now, customer phone. This column stores a customer phone is a varchar 12, allowing a maximum of 12 characters. Next up is customer email. It stores the customer email address with a limit of 100 characters as a varchar 100. Like the name and address, it's also a required field with not null. Finally is customer password. This column holds the customer password, allowing up to 100 characters. For security password should be ideal and hashed in real-world applications. You can see behind me is a sample data of customer.
Data that we save in restaurant table is important information of various restaurant, like their name, location, contact detail, and more. First, we define a column called restaurant ID. This column will store a unique identifier for each restaurant in the table. We use the int data type because we want to store integer here. The auto-increment keyword means that the database will automatically assign a new unique number to each restaurant when a new record is added. The primary key is to ensure that each value in this column is unique and not null. Next, we have the restaurant name column. This will store the name of restaurant with varchar 100 to allow 100 character. The not null means that every restaurant must have name. Then, we have the restaurant location column, which will store the address or general location of the restaurant. With varchar 50, the allow location can be up to 50 character long. We also specify not null to ensure that every restaurant must have a location provided. The restaurant phone column will store the phone number for the restaurant. We use varchar 15 because phone number can vary. Blank are actually with country codes. The not null constraint ensure that every restaurant have a phone number list. Next, the restaurant email column is where we store the email address of the restaurant. We use varchar 100 to store email address that are typically up to 100 characters. As with the other, not null ensure that every restaurant must have an email address. Finally, we have the restaurant password column, which will store the password for the restaurant online account, such as for manager booking. We use varchar 100 to accommodate length of most password. Again, not null ensure that the restaurant must provide the password. This is sample data of restaurant.
Today I will be presenting the admin table schema, which is part of relational database designed for managing admin details in restaurant management system. First, we have the primary key, admin ID, which is a unique identifier for each admin. It is varchar type with a length of 10 characters. This ensures that every admin can be distinctly recognized in the database. Next, we have admin name, a varchar field with length of 50 characters. This stores the admin's full name, a crucial piece of information for identification. Then we have admin emails, a varchar field with maximum length of 100 characters. This holds the admin's email. Admin phone follows as a varchar type, allowing for up to 15 characters, storing the admin contact number for direct reach. Admin password is also stored as a varchar with length of 100, hold the encrypted password for the admin account security. Now we move to foreign key. We see that customer ID is a foreign key linked to the customer table. It connects the admin to customer record. If a customer is deleted or updated, the foreign key will ensure that those changes we also cascade to this admin table. It also same as restaurant ID that acts as a foreign key. In summary, this table is essential for maintaining admin data, securely linking them to customer and restaurant detail, and ensuring data integrity through cascading updates and deleted. Now let's look at the example data that has been given in this slide.
In this session, I will explain the delivery table and its sample data that used in the database for the delivery system. The SQL code used to create this table they include primary key. For example, delivery ID is our primary key, which ensure that each record in this table is unique. This table also includes foreign key that link to another entity, such as customer ID and restaurant ID. Each foreign key includes the clauses on delete cascade and on update cascade. This means if customer or restaurant data is deleted or updated, the change will automatically apply to the delivery table. This is some attribute that we include in this table. Delivery ID, which is a unique ID for each delivery. Delivery name, the name of the delivery personnel. Delivery phone, the phone number that we can contact the delivery. And delivery email, the email of the delivery personnel. All attributes use the varchar data type with a specified length. If a customer is deleted from the customer table, all deliveries related to that customer will also be automatically deleted from the delivery table. This ensures that the data remains relevant. This is a sample data that based on the delivery table.
This is our ARD for food ordering system. As you can see, we have 4 different entities such as customer, delivery, restaurant, and admin. And as you can see, each entity have their own attributes. For example, for customer, we have customer name, customer ID, customer address, customer phone, customer email, and customer password. And in our ERD, you can see that each entity have a relationship between another entity. For example, between customer and admin, the relationship are managed. It means that admin can manage anything from customer data to ensure that customer can use the software or the system with no problems. In summary, the database design and execution of the food ordering system are essential to the platform's seamless functioning. The database facilitates both operational efficiency and user happiness by efficiently handling crucial elements such as restaurant menus, customers' orders, deliveries, and payment processing. With its organized tables and well-defined relationships, the relational database model offers a strong basis for data integrity, scalability, and accessibility.